Go to James right now, who has some information on what's brewing in the tropics.
Yeah, if we could just go to max 2, we'll get that for you here. And the very latest, as of 11 o'clock, 40-mile-per-hour winds, just drifting off to the northeast right now. But this is going to change here as it's going to pick up speed as it heads towards South Florida here. The maximum winds for hurricane hunters are out there. They're trying it. They haven't found tropical storm force winds yet, and they haven't found a low-level center yet. So that's why it's still a potential tropical cyclone here. And the forecast track, well, unchanged from earlier. This is about the same cone here. 45-mile-per-hour wind, so it may strengthen a little bit. That'll get the name, at least Alex, as it moves over southwest Florida and then over our area. But this very lopsided storm, that will continue. All the showers and all the bad weather is going to be on the right side, the east side of this storm. So once the center passes, or even before the center passes, we'll get rid of that rain and we'll have improving conditions after that. It may strengthen a little bit in the Atlantic, which Bermuda will have to watch out for that, but otherwise not a whole lot. Here's the hurricane hunters. They're doing the mission out here, trying to find that low-level center, but really not doing it. Down to 1,002 millibars there. We still have that tropical storm warning up for most of the area here. That's unchanged, and we still have the flood watch out, and we could see a few inches of rain that could cause some flooding. And for more on all of that, let's go to meteorologist Katya Hall.
With this system, we have a lot of moisture moving into the area. That moisture indicated by this orange color popping up on the screen, and this is going to filter into the area throughout the day today, tomorrow, and then you can see that moisture backs off by Sunday. And so we're looking at drier conditions, not for the whole weekend, but at least by Sunday we'll see a little bit more sunshine. In terms of how much rainfall we're looking at, if you live in Indian River County, upwards of 2 to 4 inches. The bulk of the rainfall focused across Palm Beach County. 4 to 8 inches of rainfall. Isolated amounts could be even higher than that. Martin County, 4 to 6 inches of rainfall, and upwards of 3 to 5 inches up in the Okeechobee area. So that's going to be the biggest threat, the potential for flooding across the area. Still could see an isolated tornado, but really it's the flooding threat that we're most concerned about, with repeated rounds of heavy rainfall that could lead to some flooding issues. Could also see some high winds. The primary threat for that will probably be tomorrow morning. Excessive rainfall risk included in the Jupiter area, Boca Raton. It's a level 3 out of 4 for you today. And then for tomorrow, everyone under the risk of seeing a slight risk of excessive rainfall across the area.